Well, it's been a long time coming. Replacing the Seprewa harp that was stolen by a Lyft driver on August 12, 2023, which caused a delay in my music production. So I finally had enough money to get a replacement. These are handmade instruments by Afrifa in Ghana. And this box arrived like last week or so. I'm just now opening the box. There's this information, Afrifa, Accra, Ghana, Sowoton, Gambia Street. There we go. Okay. Oh wow, this is a much more, the bag is more detailed this time. I hope it's in the same key as the original one. That's probably why it took me so long to open it, because I'm scared. Oh, it's a little different. Okay, well, it looks completely different than the other one. Let's see how it sounds. I think I can tune it to be the same. Okay, I'm gonna tune it and then I'll be back.